Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am working on the March monthly setup in my everyday planner, which is a B6 Stalogy. I already drew it out with this tool metallic pen. I think it's like a rose gold color. I didn't erase the lines. I don't know that I will. And I'm going to be using the March monthly kit from Let's Get Plan. I will link to Let's Get Plan and include their discount code in the description box below, but these are the stickers, including the currently sheet. So this is the monthly stuff, these three, and then this is the currently page. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I think I am done with this part. Let's go on and do the currently. I'm still unsure about currently pages because I haven't filled in February's yet. And I guess I should go back and fill it in. But I don't really feel like I need two whole pages. I'll probably end up putting a sticker over this page because I didn't even do anything here. I don't know. I still might. We'll see. But I'm just going to do one page. And let's see. I'm going to use this leftover piece. How did I do it before? Oh, and previously someone told me about putting the alpha on the ruler and lining them up and then putting it on the paper. Yeah, I know how to do that. I was just too uninterested in doing it to do it. I don't know. I don't think I want to do it this time either. Frankly, I'm just going to put down the alpha and go from there. I do need to put something at the top, but I'm just going to leave it for now. So I'm using listening to, making, watching. I've been watching some good stuff. I might make this go across like this. Let's see. So we finished the sheet. Let's use some of these little dot doodads. I didn't leave enough room, really, but let's see what we can do. Guess I'll have to put some on the other side. Okay, so we got the monthly calendar done. I didn't put any doll. I might use some character dolls later on in the month. These are going to be like deco intro pages. And then here is the currently set up. I like this better than the one I did for February. And so next would be my body book pages. I'm still trying to figure that out mentally, how I'm going to do it. So I'm not going to move on that yet. But there is the beginnings of the March setup. So I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any idea on how I can set up my body or health and fitness, my body book pages for the month, let me know in the comments. But for now, that is it. That is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.